What's up, guys? Carolynn Castillo here, listing agent with eXp Realty. If you're an investor, this is the house for you. We're located at 1120 North 75th Avenue in Hollywood, Florida. If you've got the guts to fix and flip homes, this is the property for you. Welcome, guys. Come on in. Take a flashback into 1968 when this house was originally built. So this home has had no updates whatsoever. Everything is 100% original, from the floors to the bathrooms to the kitchen. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, approximately 1,500 square feet under air, and a 1-car garage. So this home has tons of potential. I really love the floor plan. It's a split floor plan, so you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on one side and the master bathroom on the other side. Now, the really unique thing about this property is it could totally be sold to a first-time home buyer, but only one thing is stopping it, and that's the roof. So we're going to show you as we walk through the property. The roof is in not good shape and it's actively leaking. A lot of people don't know this, but you cannot obtain a mortgage with a bad roof. So because of that one fact only, this property has to be sold to a cash investor. So come on, let me show you around a little bit. So you do have the living room here. You gotta love this beautiful, wallpaper. You are gonna have the 2 full bedrooms here, so you can actually come in and take a quick look. Again, guys, this is completely original since 1968. Nothing has been updated, nothing has been changed. Come into this one. You gotta love, we got wood paneling in here, okay? I don't know if you can actually see it here. This is actually a good shot here where you can actually see the roof. And you can see that there's been a lot of repairs here. There's been a lot of patchwork. But according to insurance companies now in the state of Florida, you are no longer allowed to purchase a home if it needs a new roof. Either the seller has to repair it, or it has to be sold to a cash investor. You cannot obtain insurance or a mortgage. Now, this is a tight space. I'm really assuming that whoever buys this, the investor, this is all going to be knocked down. But this is the second bathroom. It does have currently a bathtub, toilet, and a vanity. Now, wallpaper, pink tiles. I mean, this is a Hollywood special. This is how it is. Closet here. It really does have a nice space to it. It has a ton of potential, So we're gonna actually walk over here. This is gonna be the dining room area. Very big and open space. The really cool thing about this property is, check out this back room. So this is what we would consider a Florida room. It was added on to the house at some point. We don't know exactly when they did it, but it's totally permitted and legal. It does have fans, and it has a AC unit, so it's not actually, the air vent is not going in here. So the investor that buys that, they probably are going to drop some ducts in here. Now, right now, the kitchen is connecting, so it's pretty cool. You can check out the kitchen, look at the countertops. This was literally 1968, guys. Nothing has been changed in this property. But man, can you see the potential? There's a lot of money to be made in this house. So in here, you also have a second dining area. In Hollywood, to have all this living space is really unique. With the kitchen, definitely not 2021 layout. This is going to be completely knocked down, reconfigured, a whole new kitchen setup. And I'm actually going to show you right behind here. There's one really good feature about this house, and that's pretty much a brand new AC. So the house does have a new AC unit, and it is a 1-car garage. So in Hollywood, this is awesome to have. You've got a full one-car garage. It's not turned into a bedroom or anything like that. Now, we are looking for a cash buyer for this property. Now, this house is going to be listed on the market for $225,000. We are going to, because of the market and everything, I know we're going to be getting multiple offers on this house. Now, what the seller looks for in a cash buyer is they look for a quick closing, they look for someone that has proof of funds, and it has to be a cash buyer. Now, you could use a hard money lender, somebody that will allow you to borrow money from them personally to buy this house. Now, fully renovated, which means brand new roof, brand new windows, brand new kitchen, brand new floor, brand new bathroom, brand new everything. You're looking in this neighborhood to sell around $350,000, somewhere in that range, okay? So there's a good amount of money to be made in this house, but there's a lot of work, okay? There's a lot of work. So let me show you the master bedroom. Like I said, it's a split floor plan. So you do have the master bedroom completely on this side. It's a pretty decent sized bedroom. You've got the windows right there, nice 2 windows. It does feature a walk-in closet. Everybody likes that. So you do have a walk-in closet here. And the bathroom is tiny. Okay, we're doing like the cha-cha-cha here. This bathroom full of wallpaper. I really want to see if you can get this shower. I don't know who in their brain in 1968 decided to make this a shower. Where is the nozzle, okay? Where does the water come out of? So it's really needs to be reconfigured. That's for sure. It has to be reconfigured. Now I want to show you, there's a really cool feature in this house, and that's the screens-in patio. So like I said, there's a lot of potential here. There's a lot of money to be made. And you know, buying a house, fixing, flipping a house, everybody sees it on HGTV. Everybody wants, I get people all the time, oh, I want to invest in real estate. I want to fix and flip a house. Perfect. But you know what? It takes a lot of work and it takes money. So you have to have the money to buy it, and you have to have the money to do all the repairs. So look at this, how beautiful. Beautiful screens and patio in good shape. And let me tell you, one thing that they definitely took care of was the grass. So it's a fully fenced backyard. Nothing needs to be done to the grass, but you are going to see out here, let me show you. So over here you can see that the sprinklers and everything that was done here, the house needs to be painted, but it's fully fenced and you wouldn't have to do much. Another great feature about this house is that it actually has the accordion shutters. So you may not have to replace the windows here because it does have the hurricane protection. So we are going to be having an open house. It's going to be on Friday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., which is March 5th, Friday, March 5th, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., only for investors. We're looking for cash buyers that can purchase this property as is, no inspection period, and close within the time allotted. So I hope to see you out here, and this is a great house to take.